Welcome to the Design Studio. Here's a quick walkthrough. This is the command center, and from the Design Studio you land in here. And we will go and create a new design, but these are all the designs that are in your catalog. So if I go and create a new design, I land in what is a Canva-like experience. And so there's a lot of things that I can do here. So I'll create designs in sets. This is the name of the set, and this is the name of the variant. You automatically land on a variant, so you'll see that this is the default variant that you come in on. So when you're on the design screen, you're ready to start designing. So we can adjust your color palette. We can use any of the other balloons from the catalog. You can pull from any of the preloaded images in the Fanfaire catalog. You can also create your own and add your own images. This is the tagging section. And so you can tag every one of your designs. This is the set of variants. And then these are the photos that are associated with the set.